Okay. So we already discussed that if you are using asynchronous counter or ripple counter, okay, these counters are slow. They're slow because as the number of flip-flop increases, okay, the delay get added, propagation delay of each flip-flop get added, okay. So there is a frequency limit. So those counter cannot be used for high frequency, okay. That means they cannot count faster, they are slow counters, okay. And so to avoid that drawback, okay, instead of using this asynchronous counter, we'll use now a ripple counter, okay. And ripple counter, they, because they triggered simultaneously, all the flip-flops get triggered simultaneously with the flop with the clock. So these, so they don't have a adding up of this your propagation delay, so that's why they can count faster, okay. So their operating frequency is high compared to your ripple counters. Now let me design a 3-bit synchronous up counter. Up counter. Okay. So I already told you that when you want to design a synchronous counter, okay, the first step is you need to know what is your number, how many flip-flops you require. So obviously there is a 3-bit, okay. Total there are 8 state, okay. So 8 state, that means you need 3 flip-flop. Number one step, you have to know how many flip-flops are required. So we know 3 flip-flops are required. Number two is state diagram. State diagram means from how many state it goes, okay, how it transitions from one state to other state, that should know. So this is a 3-bit counter, synchronous counter. So we know the first state will be 0 0, okay, second state will be 0 0 1, okay, and then the next state will be your 2, then you will be go to 3, then you go to 4, then you go to 5, then you go to 6, 7, and then you come back to here. So this is the direction of movement for this counter, okay. And once we know the state diagram, the second thing is you should know which kind of flip-flop you are going to use, okay. So for example, for this particular question, I'm going to use JK flip-flops.
Sir, after 0 1 0 1 1 0, no sir, here
this is 0 0 0 0 1, then 0 1 1 triple 1 or triple S. This is what 3 na 3
1 1 1
or 0 1 1, okay,
0 1,
okay, 4 5 6 7, okay. Now I'm going to use the 3 flip-flop on JK flip-flops, okay. So when I'm using JK flip-flops, I should know, remember its excitation table, okay. What is excitation table? So where you, once you know the Excel table, very quickly you can perform, you can make the truth table. So you know this is your excitation table. If you want, you have a present state Qn, and you have next state Qn plus 1, okay. So this is a 0 0 1 1. These are the possibilities. 0, this can go 1, this can go 0 to 0, then 0 1. These are the 4 possibilities, and the required inputs JK, required inputs okay. JK inputs we have already seen yesterday. For this kind of transition, we need 0x, then 0x after 0x, what I need?
1x
1x, sure. No,
yes,
this is 0 to 1, so this cannot be 1 0 0. This is high state, 0 1. Just check it. 0 1
JK
0 1 1x 0 1 1x. Okay, it's correct. 0 1x. It's correct. So because this is going pre-state, high state. 1x, then
x1
x1, then
x0
x0. Okay. So 0x, let me check once again. There should be no mistake. Okay. So x1, x0, very good. Okay. So these are the state. This table you should remember. Once you know this table, everything is very easy. Now, once you have decided flip-flop, JK flip-flop, type of flip-flop, okay, the next is thing to write the truth table. So we have, this is your state diagram, okay? Your
Sir,
state diagram. Hi, 1 minute.
sir, I was late for 1 minute, sir. How we decided JK flip flop?
That is our choice, okay?
Okay. Okay.
See, so number flip-flop, 3-bit. This type, whether I want to use T, JK flip-flop, D flop, any flip-flop I can use, okay? The whatever flip-flop I'm using, I should know is table, excitation table, okay? Now I'm going to design the circuit. So you have present state, you have present state, okay, and then you have a next state, okay. Present state, you have what? You have a Q3, because 3-bit, 3 flip-flop, you have a Q3, Q1, okay, and next state of Q3, okay. I'm not writing Q3 plus n plus 1, I'm writing just Q3, Q2, Q1 again. That is the next state of this transition, okay. You can put plus sign if you want, you can put plus here just to make differentiate in these things, okay. Now my present state, okay, I know my state diagram, my present state is 0 0, and my next state should be, if it's 0 0, my next state should be what? 0 0 1, isn't it? From you have to just look your state diagram, okay. And if you have, and the first, then you have a present state 0 0 1, the next state will be 0 1 0, okay. Then you have 0 1 0, the next state is 0 0 1 1, fourth state is 0 1 1, the next state will be your 4 1 0 0, you have 1 0 0, then next state will be 1 0 1, okay. I am drawing the logic based on diagram, okay. You want any way you can do it, okay. Just I am doing this, just following this logic diagram, state diagram. If you have 1 0 1, then you have a 1 1 0, okay. And if I have a 1 1 0, I have 1 1 1, and next state, if I have 1 1 1 1 1, I have a, the last state we have a 0 0 0, okay. That is cycling, that my state diagram is cycling, okay. Once I know this one, okay, now I have a three flip-flop, okay, and each flip-flop we have inputs, okay, required inputs, okay. So we have 3 flip-flop, that means we have a J3, we have J3, we have K3, then we have J2, we have K2, okay, and then we have a J1, and then we have a K1. So each state, these are the required inputs. 3 flip-flop, 6 inputs, 2 input to each flip-flop. Okay. Now just you have to see the third flip-flop, Q3 plus 1. Okay, it's going from 0 to 0. Okay, so 0 to 0 requires 0x. Okay, so that require input 0x. Okay, then you have to see this Q3, then you have to see Q2 like this. Okay, similarly, if you see Q3 going from 0 to 0, okay, 0 to again going 0 to 0. So this is Q3, 0 to 0, 0 to 0, you have 0x. Okay, then you're going Q3, 0 to again 0, so 0x. Then here 1 2 3 4, again going 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 require what? You 1x, so you put 1x here. Okay, then fifth you require 1 to 1. 1 to 1 require x0. Okay, then you require again 1 to 1. Just check it whether I'm doing mistake or not. Okay, then again you require 1 to 1 x0. Then you require 1 to 0. Okay, 1 to 0 x1. So this kind of you require. Okay, so you have 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and then you have x x x x. Okay, correct. K is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 0 1. Okay, so this is correct. So this way you have to fill that truth table. Okay, are you getting what I'm doing here? ये समझ में आ रहा है लॉजिक कैसे बना रहा हूं मैं? Anyone? किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो पूछ लो, इसी
Yes,
लॉजिक से बाकी बनाने हैं. Clear? So I'm seeing Q3 Q3. Okay, Q3 को इस स्टेट से इस स्टेट में जाने के लिए J3 K3 is what? They are inputs of this third flip flop. So this is a present state and in this is next state. Okay, so if this is a present state, okay, this is a present state here Q3. I want to go some Q3 is there, some value is there. Okay, and I want to give some inputs. I want to change the state from present state to next state. Okay, so you know, in order to change the state of a flip flop you require inputs. Okay, so I want to change 0 to 0, 0 to 0. Okay, 0 to 0, 0 to 0 require 0x. Okay, again 0 to 1, 0 to 1 require 1 to x. X is a don't care condition. Okay, similarly you can fill this table. Now you can fill the for Q2 also. So Q2 is also for 0 to 0. Okay,
0x.
so 0x. Okay, then 0 1
1x.
1x. Now you tell me how to do. Okay, then
x0.
x0 fourth,
x1.
x1 fifth.
0x.
Okay, please don't do mistake. Okay, then
0x again.
0x, then
Oh, Q2 plus 1 1.
1 1 1 1 is what? X0. Okay, then Q2 is again 1 0. 1 0 is what? X1. Okay, so let me check. ये गड़बड़ कैसा गड़बड़ जाएगा ना? So you have J2. So J2 you have a 0 1 0 1 XX 0. No, it's a mistake is there. 0 1 XX 0 1 XX 0 is there. Then 1x is there. Here 1x is there. Okay, check. Q2 is 0 to 1. 0 to 1 require 1x. Okay, 1x. So 1x is correct. Now it is correct. Okay, similarly for now you can put for this is for your J1. Okay, so J1 is very simply you start from 1 x 1 x 1 x 1 x. Okay, and this is opposite x1 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 x1. Okay, you can check it also and tell me whether it's correct or not. तो सिंपल है, बस पता होना चाहिए क्या करना चाहिए. ओके, अभी भी किसी को डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसा कर रहे हैं. जस्ट यू टू लुक द एक्साइटेशन टेबल और आपको क्यू देखना है. ओके, पर्टिकुलर फ्लिप फ्लॉप का थर्ड का देखना है तो Q3 Q3 प्लस 1, Q2 का Q2 से Q2 प्लस 1. तो कहाँ से कहाँ ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है अकॉर्डिंगली दिस ट्रांजिशन के लिए व्हाट आर द रिक्वायर्ड इनपुट्स यू टू फिल द टेबल. ओके, and once you fill the table then the things are very simple. You just need to solve the K-map now because you are basically trying to design the circuit. Okay, so you want basically J3 K3 and J2 K2 and J1 K1 values. Already you know 3 flip flops JK flip flops are there. Okay, they are synchronous, they are synchronously connected, so they are one clock only you need inputs values. Okay, so now input values you have Q3 Q2 Q1. Okay, you have Q3 Q2 Q1. You have 8 states. Okay, this is your 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now you want to solve for J3. Okay, so solve for J3. fill this table with J3. The J3 is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. For 2, you have a 0. You have 3, you have 1. Okay. For 4, you have XX. Okay. For XXX, all are XXX. So this is your J3 table. Okay. So now this will give me J3 value. Just solve this one table. Okay. So only there is one pair. So I can write J3 is my Q2, Q1. Okay. J3 is my Q2, Q1 is correct. Okay. So I know the J3 value. Now solve for K3. K3. Again, the inputs are same. Q3, Q2, Q1. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Fill the table with K3, X, 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 X. Okay. So 0x, 1x, 2x, 3x. Okay. 4x. Then you have 4, 5, 0, 0, 4, 5, 0, 0. Then 6 is 0, 7 is 1. Okay. Again, this is your one term. So K3 can be what? K3 is also Q2, Q1. So K3 also again Q2, Q1. K3 is also Q2, Q1. So you got the values J3, Q2, Q1, K3, Q2, Q1. Now you want J2, K2. Find out the value for J2, K2. Now J2, K2. Okay. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. J2 is 0, 1, XX, 4, 0, 5, 1. Then you have XX. Okay. So tell me, what should I take? J2 equals to what? J2 equals to what?
Q2 bar Q1.
No, because we can take this 4, na?
Quad. Yes.
Quad we can take. Okay. So quad, this is varying only, which is constant. Q1 is constant. So J2 is equals to Q1. Q1 bar. Bar or no.
Q1.
This is constant 0. Sorry, this should be 1, 1.
1, 1.
1, 1. Okay. So this is Q1 should be there, Q1. Okay. Similarly, now you can solve for K2. For K2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. You have Q3, Q2, Q1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. K2, XX. Okay. 0, 1, 0, 1. Then XX. Then 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Again, you can take quad, this quad. Okay. Same quad you're taking here. Okay. Again, you have this Q1. K2 also Q1. K2 is also Q1. Now tell me J1 K1. J1 K1 is very simple. So you have J3 K3. J2 is your Q1.
Sir, K2 में 1 उधर लिखना no sir. K2. K2 sir here.
K2 is Q1 na?
Student sir. 0, 1. Last में 0, 1.
0, 1.
7, 6, 7.
This 0.
No sir.
This one.
No sir. You wrote 7th place. नीचे में.
Here.
No sir. K2.
1. Here is what? 0, 1.
Sir.
Why 0, 1? K2 is 0, 1 na? So this is your sixth position. This is seventh position, na?
Zero.
This is sixth position.
Yes, sir.
So the sixth position is what? 0. Seventh position 1. Seventh position 1.
Okay, sir. Mistake.
Okay. Now that is J1 K1 is very simple. J1 K1 only one pair will form. So output will be always 1 because all the terms are either 1 or external. 0 is not there. So you just can make one term. So you have this one Q3, Q2, Q1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So either you have 1x, 1x. Okay, then you have 1x. Okay, then you have a 1x, that is 1x. Okay, so you can make all one pair octa. Okay, so this will come, J1 will come 1. Similarly, if you solve for K1, K1 will also come. Okay, so your J1 is plus 1, K1 is also 1. So that is, now you got the inputs. Just now designing is very simple. You can design now.
Sir,
it's
it was Q1 and
J2 is Q1, K2 is also Q1.
J1 is Q1 bar or Q1?
J1.
Yes, sir.
J1 is 1, only 1. सारी टर्म सारा पेयर बन गया ना, सारे पेयर बन गए ना. ये 1x 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 है तो सारा पेयर बन गया, एक ही बन गया. जब सब सारा पेयर बन जाता है तो K मैप का सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? 1 होता है.
ओके सर.
जब there is one pair, then solution is 1. K map. Okay, now you want to design the flip-flop. Okay, to design the flip-flop, you have JK flip-flop. Okay, you have Q1, JK, Q2, J3, K3, J2, K2, J1, K1, Q1 bar, Q2 bar, Q3, Q3 bar. Okay, now they are synchronous counter. तो clock सबका same हो जाएगा. This is my clock. Okay, this clock is connected through simultaneously. Okay, now you want J1, J2 same. The value is 1. Okay. Now your J2, K2 is Q1, Q1. So this will go here. Okay, and this will also go here. And then you have a J3, K3, Q1, Q2. AND gate. So you make AND gate. Okay, you take Q1. You take Q1 from here. Okay, Q2, Q1 will go here. Both the things. Okay, so here coming Q2, Q1, Q2, Q1. This is your 3 bits synchronous counter. 3-bit synchronous up counter. Okay, now you can check always. Okay, you can start with 0 0. You can start with 0 0. Q1 0, Q2 0, Q3 0. Then first clock. So you see Q1 will be always toggle. तो आपकी जो टर्म्स है ना, सपोज जो भी टर्म्स हैं 0 0 0, लास्ट वाली टर्म तो हमेशा टॉगल होगी 0 1 0 1 लास्ट, क्योंकि ये 1 1 है तो टॉगल ये हमेशा टॉगल होती रहेगी. बाकी इसको आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या हो रहा है. जो Q1 यहाँ जा रहे हैं तब क्या हो रहा है. फर्स्ट स्टेप के बाद में 0 यहाँ जा रहा है तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा. दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज. ओके, assume the value some state and then you see to find out final what state is going. जरूरी नहीं कि हर पे 0 0 हमेशा रहे. You can start with 0 0, but if it is repeating, it will come back. Otherwise, whatever terms will that will be keep on rotating. Okay, this was your 3-bit synchronous counter. up counter. Okay. Now similarly you can design, go for down counter. Okay, down counter I'm not doing. Down counter you have to do down counter. Okay, that is your homework. Down counter, same method hai. Okay, you have to do and send me the homework. Now I'm going to do how to design up and down counter together. Okay, these are slightly lengthy problems. Okay, एग्जाम में इतना lengthy problems नहीं आता, छोटा प्रॉब्लम आता है, बताऊंगा अभी मैं, पर ये करना जरूरी है क्योंकि once you know then only you know the basic how to do.
Sir, this was negative triggered clock.
Negative triggered. Okay. Same you make for up counter for negative trigger clock. Negative triggering clock. Yeah, you can make a positive triggering. मेरा final answer है कि वो state move करनी चाहिए. Okay. अब वो negative से बना रहे हो, positive से बना रहे हो, that is your thing. Okay. That counter should count. When I put the values, it should rotate. Okay. Now I'm going to do up and down counter. 3-bit up and down counter. 3-bit up down synchronous counter. Okay, वो भी simple ही है. You should know how many flip flops you required. Once you know the flip flops, obviously number of flip flops, you have 3 flip flops required. Okay. Then next thing is your state diagram. Okay. Now क्योंकि ये up and down counter है तो दोनों तरफ count करेगा. Okay. Up भी count करेगा, down भी count करेगा. So state diagram will be slightly modified. So you say if I'm starting from 0 0, okay, it's going to 0 0 1. Then it's going to 0 1 0. Then it's going to 0 1 1. Then it's going to 1 0 0. Then it is going to 1 0 1. Then it is going to 1 1 1 1 1 0. Then it's 1 1 0 5. Then it's going 1 1 1. Okay. Then this one. Okay. Now if it is up counter, okay, if it's going 0 to 1, you take, if control counter m equals to 1, okay, you take m1. If you're going like this, you take m1. For if you're going up, you take m1. Okay, if you're moving like this. Okay. And suppose if you are moving opposite, if you're moving 0 to 7 7, this one this way, or 1 to this way, or if you're moving like this, then you take m0. Now with q3 q2 q1 I'll take one more control parameter, that will go 0, because from 1 I want to make 2 up and down together, so I'm putting a control parameter m0. Okay. Now just you have to make the truth table, present state, next state, along with control parameter. So you want present state. Okay. Q3, Q2, Q1. I am putting one control parameter here. Okay. This is the present state. And then you have a next state. Next state also you have your Q1, Q2. Okay. Q3, Q2, Q1. This is your next state. Now we have total 16 possibility. It can go up, it can down. Okay. Now whenever it's going up, you have to put m equal to 1. Whenever you're going opposite, you have to put m0. So if you want, you can first write up counter, you can write down counter. Okay, I will do simultaneously. That is your choice how you want to make. Okay, and it is your, and then you are required inputs. Required inputs. Okay. So required inputs you need J3, K3, J2, K2, J1, K1. Okay. Okay. The first state is present state is 0, 0, 0. And my next state is 0, 0, 1. Then I'll put m equals to 1. Okay. My present state is 0, 0. My next state is 1, 1, 1. Then I'll put 0 here. Okay. Now you have 4 variables. Okay. So instead of 3, now you have a 16 cell K-map. My
Sir.
present, हाँ.
सर ये क्या 1 2 0
भी मेरा present state क्या है? 0, 0, 0.
yes
Then
sir.
next state क्या है? If आप
0
counter
0
1, 1, 1,
yes sir.
putting 1. So you're going in this direction. Your control
1
parameter will be 1. So I'm putting
yes.
M1. Okay. If
Okay.
you're going opposite, your control parameter will be 0.
ओके सर हम डाउन का साथ ही में कर रहे हैं
साथ में कर रहे हैं.
ओके सर
ठीक है. आप चाहो तो अलग कर सकते बना सकते टेबल, मैं साथ में बना रहा हूँ. ठीक है. साथ में क्या पोजीशन का लिखने में के में बनाने में आसान रहता है. ओके. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग माय प्रेजेंट स्टेट इज 0, 0, 1. ओके. माय नेक्स्ट स्टेट शुड बी व्हाट? 0, 1, 0. देन आई विल पुट m इक्वल टू 1. ओके. And if I say no, my present state is 0, 0, 1. My next state is 0, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Then I'll put m is equal to 0. Are you getting what I'm doing? Okay. 0, 0, 1 to 0, 0, 0. This step you're getting what I'm doing? Opposite. One time I'm going forward, one time I'm moving opposite. When I'm moving forward, I'm putting m1. When I'm moving reverse direction, I'm putting m0. Okay. हाँ.
सर डाउन स्टेट के लिए अब वो 0 1 1 1 0 नहीं आएगा
किसके लिए?
डाउन के लिए
डाउन के लिए ये 0, 0, 1 है ना. तो ये डाउन में कहाँ जाएगा? आप स्टेट
सर
डायग्राम देखो.
0 0 0 से 1 1 1 देन 1 1 1 से 1 1 0
0 0 से 0 0 1 आया.
सर डाउन वाले के लिए
ये वाला.
सर इसके नेक्स्ट
ये
यस सर
0 0 1 ये है ना. आपकी 0 0 1 नहीं दिख रहा आपको यहाँ पे? अगर आगे जा रहे हो तो 2 आएगा, पीछे जा रहे हो तो क्या आएगा? 0. आपको ये स्टेट डायग्राम देखना है ना. भी आप आगे जा रहे हो कि पीछे जा रहे हो? यही तो मेरा बताया मैंने. इफ यू आर मूविंग अहेड पुट 1, इफ यू मूविंग बैकवर्ड यू पुट 0. स्टेट डायग्राम को देखना है. उल्टा कैसे काउंट करोगे? उल्टा कैसे काउंट करता है? 0 7 ये, इसके बाद 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 उल्टा कैसे काउंट करता है? ऐसे काउंट करता है.
यही तो मैं मतलब यही तो मेरा क्वेश्चन सर. हमने 1 1 1 नेक्स्ट स्टेट ली थी ना, मतलब फर्स्ट वाले क्लॉक में डाउन वाले के लिए.
हाँ ये लिया था ना हमने. 0 0 1 लिया था. इसके 0 के बाद 0 0 1 है. तो हम ये अप काउंटर है ना, ये अप कर रहा है. 0 से अप कर रहा है. अब 1, फिर 1 से अप कर रहा है 2, 2 से अप कर रहा है 3.
यस
ठीक. और ये उल्टा जा रहा है. ये जा रहा है. अब यहाँ से देखो ना, 0 से 7, 7 से 6, 6 से 5, 6, 5 से 4, 4 से 3, 3 से 2, 2 से 1, 1 से वापस 0.
हाँ जी सर.
उल्टा काउंट कर रहा है ना. उल्टा चला और क्या है?
सर फिर हमने सेकंड स्टेट उल्टी नहीं ना लिखी. वही तो सर मैं
ये वाली स्टेट
सर इससे नेक्स्ट वाली
ये वाली
यस
डाउन काउंटर है ना. 0 0 1 0 0 1 के बाद में उल्टा का क्या आएगा? 0 0 लिखा हुआ नहीं यहाँ पे. अगर आगे बढ़ रहे हो तो 1 आ रहा है, 2 आ रहा है. पीछे जा रहे हो तो 0 0 नहीं आ रहा है.
उसी स्टेट के लिए सर लिखना है.
उसी स्टेट के लिए लिख रहा हूँ बार बार मैं. एक ही स्टेट के लिए आगे जा रहा हूँ, एक ही स्टेट के पीछे जा रहा हूँ, फिर एक ही स्टेट के लिए आगे जा रहा हूँ, एक ही स्टेट के पीछे जा रहा हूँ.
ओके सर सॉरी.
ओके. नाउ इफ यू वांट भी, तुमको लॉजिक पता है ना, तुम ट्रूथ टेबल कैसे भी बनाओ. दैट इज नॉट. मैं ऐसे बना रहा हूँ. तुम जैसे तुम पहले सारी आप बना दो, डाउन बना दो.
ओके सर.
उसमें क्या है, ये नंबरिंग चेंज हो जाएगा. जैसे अभी ये पहली पोजीशन क्या है? अभी ये 0 0 1 पोजीशन है. ओके.
ओके सर.
अगर तुमको पुट करना है सारे पहले उल्टा बना दो. बस 0 0 0 0 वाला बना दो. तो फिर वो के मैप का पोजीशन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर.
ओके.
वो ज्यादा आसान हो जाएगा कि तुम 0 0 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. पहले पूरा डाउन काउंटर कर दो. ठीक है. इसको पहले ऊपर कर दो, इसको बंद कर दो, ताकि वो आपका वो काउंटिंग भी ठीक रहेगा. अब इसको आपको काउंटिंग देखना पड़ेगा. देखो ये नंबर 1 है. ये आपका 0 स्पेस है. ये 0 है आपका के मैप का. ये के मैप का 3 पोजीशन है. ये के मैप का 2 पोजीशन है. एंड आई एम गेटिंग. If you start
Yes.
with this one, this will be 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. That also better. Okay. तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगा देखने में. But I am plotting like this. Okay. Only you should know logic. K-map, that will be automatically everything correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this is I have finished this 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0. Now I'm putting 0, 1, 0. Okay, my next state will be 0, 1, 1. So I'm putting M1. Okay, and similarly, so but you'll remember the position here. My first position is first. If you take this one first, then the 0 automatically will come, numbering will come. Okay, so now 0, 0, 1, 1. So if I'm taking 0, 1, 0, I will go backward. I'll get 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Okay, then you have 0, 1, 0 के बाद में 0, 1, 1, 1. If you go forward, you got 3, 2, 4, 1, 0, 0. Okay, and if you go backward, 0, 1, 1, you get 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, I don't think I have the space to make this one. Okay, so you have to fill this one, and accordingly now again you have to see if you want to go Q3 to Q3, what are the parameters required. Okay, similarly for Q2 to Q, what are the parameters required. You have to fill the tables. Okay, now this time you will be having total 16 positions, and you have to solve the K map, and you have to find the J3 and J3 J2 and J2 K2 and J1 K2 values. Okay, the procedure is same. Now it is slightly lengthy. Okay, so just I want to show you how together they are formed. Okay, उसके बाद हम छोटी problems करेंगे. So you 0, 0, 1. Okay, you are going up 1, 0, 1, 1. You're going 0. You're going this one. The next state is 1, 0, 0. You're going up. That will be 5. Okay. If you are 1, 0, 0, you're going down. Okay, कितना आएगा? 2, 3, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, similarly now you have already reached to 5. First you reached to 6, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Now you have 5, you go up, you got 6. Okay, you have 5, 1, 0, 1, you go backward, you got 4. Okay, and then is the you just make the and solve the table and tell me what is the answer. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Okay, now I'll show you how to make the table. Okay, you fill this accordingly what you filled earlier. Okay, take 5-minute time and fill this one and do the solution. And this time I'll show you the how to make the K map. Okay, so this time your K map will be what? Q3, Q2. Okay, Q3, Q2, Q1M, Q1M. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and you have to fill the table. Okay, so whatever table I am filling, 1, I have 0, 0, 0. Then I have 0, 0, 1, 0, x, 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 x. Okay, then I have x, 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 x. Okay, so I'm showing you one, remaining you have to do, and I will just write the answer. Okay, so just check it whether you're getting same thing for J3. पहले एक बना लो ये वाला बस खाली. Means that K map is correct. So we have two ones here. This is one here, and this is one remaining one here. So my J3 value will be, okay, two variable map, one pair. So one will be eliminated. Okay, so this will come Q1 M. Okay, and this is got Q2. So Q2 bar is for 1 1. Tell me what is coming. Q2 Q1 M for this term. Q2 Q1 1. Q2 Q2 Q1 M, and for this term you have 0 0 Q1 bar M bar. Okay, so you have a Q1 bar and 0 0 1 0 Q2 bar and M bar. किसी का आया क्या? Or I assume you can do it.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर ये एक आ गया है, that means the method is same. Now I'll just write the input values. Okay, for everything I will just write the input values. So this is just to tell you how to perform. Okay, so once you know the method, अभी कोई स्मार्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा तो तुम फट से कर लोगे इसको, इतना बड़ा टेबल बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ओके, नाउ आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द वैल्यूज, यू जस्ट चेक मी होमवर्क. ओके, एंड यू टेल. ओके, सो J3 value is this one. K3 value I am writing. K3 value will be Q2 bar, Q1 bar M, J2 K2. Okay, so J2 value is Q1 bar. Okay, M bar plus Q1 M. K2 value is Q1 bar M bar Q1 M. Okay, and J1 J2 will always come 1 1 1. J1 K1, J1 will come 1, K1 will also come 1. Okay, note down these input values. Now we need to make the circuit.
सर
हम्म,
कनेक्शन चला गया था सर, क्या क्या है ये सर? Q3 की क्या?
जैसे हमने पहले निकाले थे ना, हमने इनपुट निकाले थे ना सॉल्व करके J3 से K2 हमने टेबल बना ली.
हाँ
ओके,
जी सर.
और फिर हमने के मैप सॉल्व किया. अभी फोर वेरिएबल का के मैप सॉल्व किया हमने. ओके, एंड वी फाउंड द वैल्यू ऑफ J3 K3 J2 K2 एंड J1 K1. ओके,
ओके,
सो जस्ट नोट डाउन. एंड ये मैंने कर दिया, दिखा के बता दिया, ऐसा आएगा, आप चेक कर लो. बाकी आपको आप करना है. ठीक है, so J3 value you have, K3 value I'm writing here because here I have to draw the diagram. Q2 bar Q1 M. Okay, similarly J2 value is Q1 bar M bar Q1 M. Okay, and J1 is 1, K1 is 1. Okay, now just you have to draw the logic diagrams or circuit. Okay, now you have 3 flip-flops. You have a J1 K1 Q1 bar, J2 K2 Q2 bar, J3 K3 Q3 bar. Okay, so J1 J2 K1 is 1, so इसको 1 से कनेक्ट कर दो. Okay, this is your plus 1. Now this time I told you we have one more parameter called M. Okay, so I want M bar also, inversion of M also, M bar also, and I need this M also. Okay, now you want J2, so you can see J2 is what? Q1 M and Q1 bar M bar. Okay, and we need AND gate, we need OR gate also. Okay, so we need a AND gate to make Q1 M. So this is coming Q1. Okay, this is coming M. Similarly, I want AND gate to form Q1 bar M bar. So M bar is coming here. Okay, and I need a OR gate to give OR gate to this one. Okay, and J2 and J2 K2. What is the K2 value? K2 value also same. What was K2 value? K2 value also same. Okay,
Q1 bar M bar.
same value is coming. Okay, so I am giving a common input to this this one. Okay, now for J3 I want Q2 bar Q1 bar. J3 I want Q2 bar Q1 bar M bar, Q2 bar Q1 bar M bar, Q2 Q1 M. They are also same. Okay, so for J3, what is J3? This Q1 Q2 Q1 M. So I need AND gate. I need a M here. I need Q2 here. I need Q1 also here. So Q1 will come from here. Okay, and I need Q1 bar Q2 bar M bar. So Q2 bar, this Q1 bar, and this is M bar. Okay, this will go to AND gate. Okay, and you have a OR gate, and this will go here, and this I'm making common. This I'm making common. Okay, and here we have an AND gate. I'm giving here. Okay, like same like this one. You have to either you give some space here. So if you give space here, this is your like this, and you have your J3 K3 common. Okay, Q3 Q3 off. So this is your up and down counter, 3-bit synchronous up down counter. Okay, now you have to check. जब टाइम मिले तो उसको देख के सर्किट को you have to put the values and check. So initial, suppose initial state is 0 0, you're putting M1, then what is next state, next state, next state. Okay, input already you know how to do, so you have to check. Okay, so this was your up and down counter together.
Here clock no need, sir.
Clock needed. Clock तो चाहिए ना. Clock is simultaneous. Clock is like this. Clock is needed. Clock. Now let me give you a small problem, okay, which you can do quickly. He says design, okay, a T counter. T counter means made of T flip flop, okay, that goes through, okay, states, that goes through state 0 3 5 6 0, and then it repeats. After 6 again comes 0, so 6 0, then 3 5 6. Okay, so you have state how many? 1 2 3. You have total 4 states. 0 3 5 6. The total 4 state counter. Okay, so design Now the first thing, whenever I told you, whenever you have to see the how many states are there. Okay, so first you will decide how many flip-flop you want to use. So you see your total states are 4. Okay, but there is 0 0 state, then you have a 0 1 1 state, then you have a 1 0 1 state, then you have 1 1 0 state. Okay, and then you have this 0 0. Okay, 4 states are there. Now even though you have 4 states, okay, but 2-bit two flip-flop will not be sufficient. Okay, because 2 flip-flop can count up to how much? 2 flip-flop can count up to 4 only. 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. They can count up to 4 only, but we have a 5 and 6 also. Okay, so obviously now we need 3-bit counter. Are you getting? See, 2-bit counter can count 4 states. 2 flip-flop can count 4 state, but that state should come like this. Okay, if 5 is coming, 2-bit counter cannot count 5 6. For that you need 3 flip-flops. Okay, now so the first step is to find out how many flip-flops are required. T flip-flops required. So you say flip-flop 3 flip-flops are required. 3 flip-flops are required. Okay, the next thing is state diagram. State diagram. Okay, so state diagram is easy. You want 0 0 0, then you go 0 0 1 1, then you go to 5 1 0 1, then you go to 6 1 1 0, then you go to again back to 0. This is a state diagram. Okay, now you're using T flip-flop. So T flip-flop excitation table you should remember. Okay, T flip-flop excitation table. So you have T, you have a Qn, you have Qn plus 1, present state, next state. Okay, this is 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, these are my state, and you should know what are the T parameter value. Okay, so what are the state?
0 1 1 0.
0 1
1 0.
1 0. Okay, so this is I'm writing. Okay, now you have the excitation table. Remember, you have this one. Okay, now you can write your now your T flip-flop. There are three inputs: T3, T2, T1. Okay, that value you have to calculate. So you have a present state. Present state is your what? Q3, Q2, Q1, because 3 flip-flops you required. The next state is again Q3 plus Q2 plus and Q1 plus, and you need required inputs. Okay, you need T3 and T3, T2 and T1 values. Okay, states are only 4, so you have a 0 0 state. Next state is 0 1 1. First state is 0 1 1. The next state is 1 0 1. You have 1 0 1 state. Then the next state is 1 1 0 1 1 0. Then you have a 0 0 0. Okay, so writing is very easy. Okay, now put the T3, T2 and T1 values, solve them. Okay, and give me the circuit. Okay. So you can do it in 5 minutes. I am writing the answers. Okay, you tell me whether it's correct or not. So T3 is your T3 is coming as Q2. Okay, T2 is coming as 1, and T1 is coming as Q2 bar. So 0 to 0, T3 0, 0 to 1, T3 1. Okay.
1 0 1.
1 to 1, 0 1. Like this. Now what is, you have these position K map. Remaining is what? Don't care condition. So I'm solving for T3. You can solve it for others. Okay. So let me write this also then if it is required. So this is your, so T2 is 1 1 1 1 and your T1 is 1 0
1 0.
1 0. Okay. Now just make the table. I have to make the table for Q3 Q2 Q1. Q3 Q2 Q1 43. Okay, so you have the position 0 0 0, T3 is 0. With the position 0 1 1, T3 is 1. Okay, so this is 0 1 1 3 position. Third position is this one, is 0 1 2 3. So this is 1. So here you put 1. Okay, then you have 1 0 1, fifth position 0, fifth position 0. Then you have a 1 1 sixth position 1. Sixth position is your this one 1. So these are don't care conditions. Many. Okay, now you have to solve. This is what you are 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, I want to solve for T3. I can take this as a quad. Okay, so when you take this quad, is Q3 bar. Okay, so for this quad, what is constant? This is varying. Only Q2 is constant, or T3 is equals to Q2. That is answer. Okay. Similarly, you can write for now. You can make table for this T2. Okay. So for table for T2. Okay. T2, see, all are 1 1 1 1. Okay. So these positions only, these are positions. Okay. Where I have written 0 or 1. Okay. So when it's 0, it is 1. This is also 1. And this is 1. And there I put 0. This is 1. Okay. Other are like this. So you can make one pair out of this, all the things. So T2 automatically comes 1. Okay. And T1, 41, 1 2 3. Okay, positions are, these are same. Okay, only you have 1 0 1 0. So here you, instead of this one you have 1, correct? Then you have 1 0. The first position is 1. First position is 1. Okay, second position you have here this 1. So second position, sorry, T1 is 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so 1 0. This is my position. And this is Q3 Q2 Q1. Now this pair is forming. So 0 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, so only what is common? 0 common. So T2 is Q2 bar. T1 is Q1 Q2 bar. Okay, I hope you are getting what I'm doing here. Just you to fill the positions. You to see the position K map, and that you fill with T1 T2.
सर वहाँ पे 0 है सर.
कहाँ पे?
सर 1 1 पोजीशन पे. Q3 के सामने 1 1 पोजीशन. सर टेबल में.
T1.
ये टेबल.
Yes sir.
So you want here 1 है ना, ये 0 0 पे 1 है ना,
Yes.
तो 0 0 1 तो लिखा मैंने.
1
नेक्स्ट क्या 0 1 1 पे थर्ड पोजीशन पे, थर्ड पोजीशन तो 1 ही था. थर्ड पोजीशन
No sir, 0.
0. ओके, बट बाकी तो आंसर तो सेम आएगा ना, ये बाकी चेक कर लो बस.
Yes sir.
Okay, so now you have the values. Now just डिजाइनिंग तो सिंपल ही है, आपको उसका वैल्यूज तो पुट करना है. ओके, नाउ यू कैन डिजाइन. सो आपको सर्किट दे रखा होगा, पूछेगा कि इसकी स्टेट्स क्या क्या है, कितनी स्टेट है, क्या क्या स्टेट्स हैं. उल्टा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, ये तो बनाने के लिए, सब बनाने के लिए पूछेगा. छोटे क्वेश्चन में इतना पॉसिबल नहीं है, ऐसे क्वेश्चन में से पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो नाउ यू टू मेक द T flip flop. You have decided 3 flip flop. Okay, you have T1 T2 T3. Q1, Q1 bar, Q2, Q2 bar, Q3, Q3 bar. Okay. So T3, T1 is your Q2 bar. So this is your T1, that will come as a Q2 bar. Okay, office unit clock, because synchronous counter, तो इनका clock same हो जाएगा सबका. Then you need T2 value. T2 value you can put 1, always constant. And T1 is T3 is Q2 bar. T3 is Q2 bar, and T1 is Q2 bar. T3 is Q2. T3 is Q2. And T1 is Q2 bar. ठीक है. So this is your counter. Okay, 0, 3, 5, 6, 0 counter. So you have T1 Q2 bar, Q2 going here, clock. ठीक है. Now you can put the values here. Okay, initial state 0, 0, 0. Okay, and if this is 0, this is 1. So initially parameter here, यहाँ पे 1 हो गया. Okay, यहाँ पे इसका input 0 हो गया, इसका input 1. तो initially आपका input 1 है, 0 है. अब clock आएगी, तो next state क्या आएगा? Okay, say I am saying 0, 0 initially. These are 0, 0. Okay, tell me anything. जरूरी नहीं कि 0, 0 हो, मैं मान रहा हूँ 0, 0, 0 है. Okay, now my inputs are here 1, 1, 1, 0. Now my first clock will come. So this is 1, this will toggle. So this Q1 becomes 0. So I want Q3, Q2, Q1. Okay, so my Q1 becomes 0, 1. Q1 become 1. Then Q2 also become 1. And this Q3 becomes initially 0, again 0, so it will be 0. So my next is 0, 1, 1. Okay, so now my next state is 0. This is 1, this is 1, and this is 0. This is 0. Okay, so whatever 1 is come here, 1 will come here. Okay, if this is 0, 0 will come here. Okay, now next pulse will come. For next pulse, this input is 0. This will toggle. So my Q1 will toggle. It will become 0. Okay, this will also toggle. This will always toggle. 1 है तो 0 हो जाएगा. And here it is 1. This will also toggle 0 to 1. So after 3, 3, the next position will come 4, 4. Are you getting what I'm doing? So इस तरह आपको चलाना है. When until ये repeat नहीं हो रहा है, then you can write the states of this counter. तो एग्जाम में ऐसा क्वेश्चन ऐसे बना हुआ आएगा. You have to put the values and you have to allow clocks कि पहले फर्स्ट क्लॉक पे क्या क्या इनपुट है तो उसका अकॉर्डिंग आउटपुट आएगा. फिर सेकंड क्लॉक पे क्या क्या इनपुट है उसका अकॉर्डिंग आउटपुट आएगा. That you have to write all the states, then you can identify which is the state. Okay, so it's easy, it's not tough, but you have to practice. Okay, so I'm stopping here. If you have any question, please ask.
Sir, here come 101 no sir. Here, 6.
Just check it whether I'm doing correct or not. Okay.
4 only no sir.
4 coming. Just check it. 4 coming, 5 coming. Maybe I would have mistake. Okay. So 0. So 0. If it's 0, so 0. If it's 0 coming, this 1 will be 1. No, this 1 will be 1. This will be 1 only 1. Okay. And here is 1. This becomes 0. Okay. This 1. This 5 is coming. No? Okay. Let us say now after 5 what happens. So initially you have 5. So you have now 1, 0, 1. So this is your 1. Q2 is 0. Okay. And this is your 1. Okay. That is state. Okay. Now you see this 0 will come here. Input. This is 1 fixed here. And if this is 0, this is 1. This is 1 coming here. Okay. Now suppose my clock is coming. What will happen? This is 1, so this will toggle. So Q1 becomes 0. Okay. This is 1. It will always toggle. If it is 0, it becomes 1. Okay. Now if here it is 0, so it will not toggle. 1 will be 1. So this comes after 5, 6 coming. Okay. Now check after 6. Now my position is 1 1 0. Okay, so you write 1 1, you write 0. Okay, now if this is 1, so this is automatically 0. 1 is going here, this 0 going here. Okay, now again you when the clock comes, it will see 0 here, so it will be remain 0. Okay, this is 1, clock will make it 0. Okay, then this is 1, this makes 0. So after 6 you're getting 0. Like this state will be keep on moving. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we'll continue tomorrow now. So I'm stopping here. Okay, thank you very much.